ProbstatsSem2 kids. This is Dr. Callahan with week 4 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions on your warm-up log. Okay, let's go ahead and create the assignment on MS Teams. So let's go ahead and do that under assignments. Let's go ahead and add that. Just keep in mind that you need to make sure you're checking in with me on a regular basis, or else your grade will be reflecting the fact that you have not turned in anything or viewed the assignment, which is really important, especially if your goal is to pass this class. You will have to go ahead and check in with me. So this is for a week for Wednesday Prob Stats semester 2, and today we're going to be calculating your GPA by hand. Your instruction today is to make sure you view the assignment and also watch the video. Make sure you upload your assignment onto the assignment tab. And these are the 2 links you need. One is for your textbook. The other one is for your Google Doc. You could pick up hard copies outside my classroom as well. And just make sure you're checking in with me on Wednesday's schedule, which is at 5th period from 12 o'clock to 12:49, and then 6th period from 12:55 to 1:44. Classes are 49 minutes. Make sure you're following that schedule with the Wednesday early release day. And then, of course, there are 2 of the Prob and Stats kids. You guys are always having this due by 3 p.m. And so I'm just going to go ahead and sign that. The 2 worksheet that you need today are as follows. The first one is just a calculation of the GPA worksheet, which looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and attach this to your assignment so that way you guys have this available as well on MS Team. So for 5th period, I'm just going to go ahead and hit reply, attach. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see how it is. If you need to make it a little bit bigger, just click on it and it kind of makes it bigger, or make it smaller by using your mouse. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the same thing to 6th period so you guys have that available as well. Okay, so I think we're ready for this then. Let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson. Take a look at the breakdown of what we're going to be talking about. This is what it is right here with calculating the GPA by hand. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna have you guys turn over to this page right here. What is a GPA? How important is your GPA for college admissions? How to get a 4.6 GPA in high school? And then, of course, your notes of how to calculate this with me in class. So let's go ahead and turn over to this part right here, and then we'll go ahead and go over the notes of how to calculate this. All right, so determining your grade point average, or GPA, it helps you determine your class rank. First thing you should know is that A is always equal to a 4, a B is a 3, C is a 2, D is a 1, F is a 0. These are the points broken down based on it. Obviously, everything on top is passing, below that is not passing. And so if I had to take a look at this, if you're going to add up your GPA for 4 classes, you will go ahead and figure out what the GPA is from 0 to 4, add all those points together, and then divide that sum by the number of classes you have. So this year you guys have 6 classes, and this is how you will calculate it. Another way you can do this, which is an easy way, is if you actually go to your credit summary on Infinite Campus, you can go ahead and take a look at your transfer credit summary. your cumulative GPA of the student that I had previously is a 4.0, but because of all the additional honors classes the student have taken, their cumulative GPA plus the AP bonus credit is a 5.05. That person's class rank is 1 of 341, and the class rank of AP bonus is 4 of 341. So what I want you guys to do is, if you're able to do that, go ahead and pause the video, go onto Infinite Campus, go under credit summary, and then take a look where your cumulative GPA is, what your cumulative GPA with AP bonus, and also your class rank. So once again, log on. Log into Infinite Campus, look up your GPA versus your GPA with AP bonus, and then look up your class rank out of how many students for your graduating year. All right, so if you take a look at the breakdown of the student I had previously, if you take any of the AP classes or the accelerated classes like AP stats or then accelerated English, you always get an extra, this is where the bonus comes from right here, the bonus 0.05 credit, which helps you to boost your GPA. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at this. If your grades out of 4 classes are an A, a B, and then 2 Ds, that will be assigned with a GPA of 4, 3, 1, and 1. So you add these numbers together, which will give you a 9, but then you would divide that by the 4 classes that you have, and your GPA in this situation is going to be a 2.25, which is right between a C and a B. It's more like kind of like a low C, I guess you should say. So now what I would like you guys to do is take a look at this worksheet that you have. So I have exactly 4 different examples or 3 examples. One is you're going to calculate Derek's GPA, then Jenna's GPA, then Tara's GPA. I have the steps right here that you can go ahead and follow by. So first thing that you're going to do, oops, is you are going to fill out the GPA column. Add up the GPA is step 2. Count the number of classes that each of the students have, and then divide by the total number of GPA by the number of classes. So pause the video and do that for Derek, Jenna, and Terry. Once you're done with that, let me know who has the highest GPA. Is it Terry, Jenna, or Derek? Who has a B average? Who has a C average? And who has a D average? Now you're going to go ahead and calculate your GPA by hand. So you should go ahead and go to example 4. Right here, you don't have 7 classes this year, although some of you guys might have a 0 period or a 7th period, depending on how your schedule looks like. So write down the classes, give me the grade, go ahead and look it up on Infinite Campus, and then calculate your GPA. Now my question is, does the GPA that you calculate doesn't match the GPA that's on Infinite Campus? Is there like some similarities there? All right, next one I have you guys do is go ahead and turn over to this page right here. You're going to answer the following question. What is a GPA? How important is GPA for college admission? How do you think you can get a 4.6 GPA? And then after that, we're going to focus in right here. So pause the video and answer questions 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the last part I'm going to do is I want you guys to give yourself a rating, 1 for poor, 2 for developing, 3 for good on the following skills when it comes to work and your future. All right, you guys, that is basically it. So the last part of your exit ticket is I have the following 4 questions. Question 1 is what characteristics do you have that are of value? Why should an employer hire you? What makes you stand above everyone else in your group? And jobs are competitive. What is your competitive edge? Pick 2 of the questions for your exit ticket and then just write it somewhere on your paper. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe, healthy, and socially distancing away from each other. Wear your mask and stay warm. It's going to be snowing tonight. So take care. See you next time.